Well, it is March, my dears, and I got the new, big, huge Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, always, I did take a little peek, and the products that I got, they're all on my face, my dears. So, if you're interested in seeing what I got in this huge Boxycharm, then keep watching, my dears. Keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears, and thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really appreciate it. Now, today we're going to be reviewing what's inside this March Boxycharm unboxing, and all the products are on my face, my dears. But before we begin, I just want to remind you, please consider subscribing and remember to push the little notification bell, because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded, my dears. And just in case you haven't already, please follow me on all of my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even Snapchat. And it will let you know when all my videos are up and loaded, my dears. And thank you so much for taking the time to push the little play button. So, with no further ado, let's go straight into the products of the Boxycharm unboxing. Alright, my dears, as I stated in the intro, let's go and let's take a peek of Boxycharm unboxing for this month. Now, as I stated, I did take a to peek what's in here, that way I can show you the products are good or not. Now, my brows are done, my eyes are primed and set for eyeshadow, so that lets you know we have an eyeshadow this month, my dears. Now, this box is kind of huge, you know, because I think last month the box was a little bit smaller, but today it's kind of big and a little bit nosy. So, let's explore, shall we? Now this is a little bit unorganized, but this is basically all the products that I see in this month's box, my dears. As I stated, we have a Boxycharm unboxing, well, eyeshadow that says, "Hello, Charmers." Kind of like the last couple months, there's been a little bit of a mix-up. There is like no card in here, like nothing. So, what I'm going to end up doing, my dears, I'm going to be doing some research about the prices of each of these products and where to find them. I will put everything down in the description below, as well as the actual prices. I'm going to put them somewhere on the screen for you can see how much the product is. Now, at the end, I will tell you, well, the result of everything. And at the end, I'll show you the actual amount of everything in this box, my dears, because keep in mind, I have the basic box. I don't have the luxe box. I don't have the deluxe box. I have the basic box for like $25 a month. This is the Boxycharm unboxing eyeshadow, and basically in the back it just says, and actually it's different because the matte press eyeshadow has its own ingredient, the shimmer press eyeshadow ingredients has its own formula, as well as the glitter press eyeshadow ingredients. Interesting. This last 12 months, it is cruelty-free. It has the bunny, and it says it's 8.4 grams, so 0.30 ounces. I know Boxycharm once in a while tries to do some beauty-related things. I think a couple months ago, not in my box, but I think I saw in other people's boxes, they had brushes. But I think this is my first actual Boxycharm product. And we're going to test. And I will let you know, because I haven't tried this eyeshadow like at all, because I try to keep these as much as a first impression as I can, my dears, of the Boxycharm eyeshadows. So when I get them out, the sleeve is kind of hard to take out and glue, my dears. Now, when you touch the letters, the more kind of like a 3D, it does kind of pop out of the package, and it does make a noise. Yes, my dears, it's a little bit of a noise, and it has the Boxycharm logo. In the back, it says, it's kind of like how it was with the box here. And it says, at Boxycharm Honeys, at Boxycharm Previews, hashtag Boxycharm Canada. It has a bunch of stuff back here. So when you open this up, and this is evidence, I haven't used any of this, my dears. It does have a very decent mirror. Oh, it is. It's very nice, decent. Okay, I like it. It has the classic little heart, and it has all of these shadows. Here are the swatches. Boxycharmer, full size, exclusive, spoiler, Luxy, unboxing, sneak peek, premium, swipe up, pop up, and cup of joe. Now, looking at these colors, there's a few that I do want to try. I'm getting a little bit excited, my dears. A little bit excited. Now, I am wearing purple, so what would be good? Because swipe up, I'm going to take the covering off. Swipe up looks really nice with that pink shininess. You know what? I may do a halo. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to be using a few of these colors, my dears. Now, as stated as anything else, this is not going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm just going to go ahead, put it around my eyes, and let you know what I feel by the few colors I'm going to use. Like I said, I will be doing a halo eye right now. So, give me a second. I do have my little mirror right here, and I'm going to display all the colors that I decide to use up here in the description for you to have an idea what I'm actually doing. I will not be doing a tutorial due to I'm just trying to check out the formula and the colors because I don't know, they look promising, but I don't know how it's going to work out. Wish me luck. Alright, my dears, that's basically all I'll be doing on the eyes. I am a tad, how can we say, very glittery right now. Very. So far I have a couple opinions about the mattes, about the shimmers, and basically colors like this that are basically toppers. The mattes I do like. In my opinion, the formulas are really well. The toppers, that's what they are. They're toppers. But I think, I don't have it right now, but I think it would be better with some glitter glue, to be honest with you, for it to stay, because as you can tell, it's going onto my cheeks. And this charmer, I believe that will be qualified as shimmer press. Not too much of a fan, to be honest. With the brush, it doesn't work too well, but it works a lot better with the finger. So this palette, the mattes, I haven't tried all of them, obviously, but the mattes seem to work a lot better with brushes, as the shimmers and the toppers, or the way they would call them, will be the glitter pressed. Will be better with the fingers, my dears. So, give me a second. I'm going to step away. I'm going to clean up my face just a little bit. Just a little bit, my dears. And I will be back with a full face. I have just a few more things in the box to show you. So, give me a second. I'll be back and let me clean up and glam up. Just let me glam up, my dears. I am back. The rest of my makeup is on. Not everything, because there's still a couple things in here that are face related that we need to try, my dears. But I got my eyeshadow, I cleaned up, and I did put a little bit of that spoiler underneath the lash line, like I did it right there on the crease, just so I can even out just a little bit. And though my initial thought was to do a halo eye, but how the products were going, it just didn't work out that way, my dears. But let's jump into the next product, shall we? The next thing that I see in here, I'm going to tell you, is actually this big product right up here. It is called the Project Beauty Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask with probiotics, cognac, and super botanicals for beautiful hair, sulfate and paraffin free. And this is what it says in the back. Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. Does someone call for a hair rescue? This creamy, rich treatment with a yogurt powder, probiotic, cognac, or botanical oil blend and shea butter specifically formulated to help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. Now, let's do this. Now, I have tried this product. Obviously, I'm not going to try it right now, but I have tried it when I first got it because I couldn't help it. Smell it. Now, this has almond and honey. Oh, it smells so good, my dears. It does. This is not that expensive. And it took me a while to find out where to even find this. I'll link it down in the description below where I found this. It's not that expensive. What I went ahead and did, I used my regular shampoo, wash my hair. And then I went ahead and added the hair gurt. The hair gurt, I left it in my hair. I took care of the rest of my body, soap, shave, etc., etc. Y'all take showers, so you know where how to bathe or whatsoever. I left this in my hair about 5-10 minutes. Optional, you can put conditioner after. I went ahead and I did because I use my hemp moisturizer conditioner. I just love that thing. Well, anyways, I went ahead, I dried my hair, styled it whatsoever. This left my hair beautifully. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I've been having issues with my split ends lately. Just a little FYI, there's another actual home remedy to help this situation. I'll share with that in my future videos. But this actually helped it quite a bit. It's fantastic. So this is high rated reviews for this. I absolutely love it, dears. I love it. And this, when this is over, oh, I'm buying it, my dears. I'm buying it. The next thing in the product that's pretty big, it's not from me, my dears, is the xoxo Beauty 19mm Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with Cool Tip. Now, it says it's in pastel yellow. Now, here's the thing. I'm not a hair person. I don't know how to curl my hair or anything. The only thing I know how to do is put those hot rollers in the hair, let it sit there, comb the hair a little bit. I put a little bit of that, a little bit of my hair today. Doesn't last very long, shocker. But you know, just to give my hair a little bit more volume, giving your hair needs some washing. This is basically what it looks like. I will keep it with me because I gotta learn how to curl my hair, especially for photo shoots and stuff, but also for travel. It's very little. It is yellow, preferably blue, but you know, you can't be picky. It's Boxycharm. It's a beauty subscription from a brand named xoxo Beauty. It looks easy enough. I have not tried it. I will try it eventually and see how that works out for me, my dears. I'll let you know. But that's basically what comes in here. Like I said, I don't know how to use this product. I do not have any experience in beauty tools, so I cannot give you an honest opinion if this is good or not. Now, I think it's a good functional travel tool. Like whenever you go to locations you can't have anything too heavy, especially with the airports now. I think you have to have a certain size limits unless you put it underneath the carrier. It does come with, you know, warranty, safety thing, and of course other products that they sell, like the blowout brush, hair cocktail, shampoo and conditioner. Oh, and it actually has a Boxy code, Boxycharm 25 for 25% off with this particular brand. I didn't even see that till now, to be honest with you. I ain't even gonna lie. It doesn't look like it's that great of a material. It looks like it could tear easily, so you may have to find another form if you plan to keep this. But since it's little, unless you travel a lot, I don't think it'll be much use, but it looks like it'd be extremely handy. It's just not for me, and to be honest, I haven't tried it, so I cannot say yes or no. Do that. I don't really know how to use a curling iron in the first place. Yeah, my hairdresser gets on me for that. But it's handy, and I will let you know in a future video my actual thoughts of the mini ceramic curling iron. There's only 2 more things left in this box, my dears. Just these 2 more. This one is from Kat Von D Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter. I haven't seen the color or anything, which is why I kind of knew my face isn't completely complete. I have the mirror still here, and it's a highlighter. Yes, I do have powder on my face, but I think it'll work out fine. We'll find out together, my dears. We'll find out together. Ooh, and it's in the shade Gamma Ray. Okay, so is it one side or? Okay, so I found the tip. So this one. Oh, this since turns. Okay, so let's apply it. And I do have a wet beauty blender just in case I need it. So we need to turn it. One of those that's gonna take a while, my dears. Ooh. There we go. Let's see how it looks on my skin. Alright, my dears, I do like the color of this highlighter. It's very nice. It's a little bit glittery, so it's up to you if you like a glittery highlighter or not. It's not bad. It has that shine. I can't tell you the exact shine. It's due that I think it wants to rain, so it's a little bit dark. So I will put in the description below how it actually looks like in light down here. But it's easy to blend. But it's easy to blend. It's a nice color, and it's easy like travel on the go highlighter. And I think it works better if you put it with the finger. I got a from Vintage by Jessica Lipinskind. I know I butchered that. I'm so sorry. And I believe this is a lip gloss. Let's see. It has an interesting brush. It's not a doe foot applicator like most lipsticks are. So, okay, this is definitely a lip gloss. It has like no color, but a little bit of shimmer. Well, the formula feels very soft. It's a little bit sticky, but it's just clear. So the color. What's the name of the color? Actually, I cannot really see the name of the good. Wait a second. Sparkling lip gloss and pink sequins. Oh, it's pink sequins, all right, because I seen like no color there. Okay. And basically, my dears, that's all the products that came in the box. So give me a second, let me juice up. I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts. Give me a second. Alright, my dears, I am back. I'm a little bit juiced up with these lovely products back in the box. And I'll let you know my thoughts. Now, the mini curler, as I stated, I don't really use curlers. I don't really know how to use it, even though that should be beneficial. But if you do travel and you do know, this would be really good. I just don't know if this curler would be good for your entire head or just your bangs, if you have bangs. So for this, for me, it's just, I gotta learn how to use it. So this is a, sure, type of product. The Kat Von D highlighter, I do like it. I do like the color. And you can use it either with a beauty blender, make sure it's not too wet, because apparently mine may have been a little bit too wet. But I noticed it's a little bit better with the finger. So I think this is very useful for travel or just something you just want to put something nice and quick. How long it lasts. But I do like it. I do like the color. It's just, as a first impression, I like it. I just think it's better to put it with your finger. The lip gloss. This lip gloss, I like the color, but I think it's a tad too glossy, my dears. A tad too glossy. Because even though I like the color, I went ahead and put lipstick on top, as you can tell. It's a little bit too much. I may have to take it off right after. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This is pretty color, but I think it may be too glossy. I think it may be one of those things that has to fit right with a certain look or a no makeup look. It's a little bit too sheer and too glossy. I mean, I'm fine with it not being pigmented, but the glossy, like, I still feel it. So this is gonna be enough. The hair mask from Project Beauty Hair Girl Almond Honey. I love this product. To be honest, out of everything in this box, I think this is my favorite product. And I think, because keep in mind, I don't know the prices because they did not give me information of any of the products I did do in the past couple of months, so I don't know what's going on with that. But this, I think, is the cheapest price out of everything that I have, and it's absolutely fantastic. I love this, and this is definitely a repurchase, my dears, and a recommendation. Definitely a repurchase. Last but not least, I got the Boxycharm, or what I like to say, unboxing eyeshadow. Now, I do like the packaging. I like that you can feel the letters. I do like the mattes in this formula. I do. The shimmers and the toppers, not so much. They seem to spread everywhere. As you saw at the beginning while I was applying, it just made a huge mess. I tried topping it with some mattes. I think it would be better if I had some glitter glue. So I'm still going to be experimenting with this palette, and I'll give you more of my thoughts in a future video. I may even do a tutorial if I find like a particular way how to use this, but as a first impression, I do like the mattes. They are buildable, so it's not the type of pigmentation that's like, whoa, there's pigment and it's potent. It's one of those where you have to build it up, which I think are fantastic for beginners or ones that just want to take their time, because sometimes it's a lot easier to build and a lot harder to take off. So I understand, my dears, because a lot of times it's better to just take off and start over if things are too pigmented. So I get it, my dears, I get it. So this, I would say, is I do have other palettes that perform much better, but like I said, this is my first impression. My opinion could change over time. I may do a full video just on this eyeshadow alone. I'll let you know, but as of right now, the toppers and the shimmers, not my favorite, even though they're best applied with your finger than a brush. So just let you know. For the mattes, yeah, it's a lot. And that, my dears, is all the products that we found. All the products that are in the Boxycharm unboxing. And I think this month was, it's not the best. I like maybe like 2 things out of here. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And remember, just in case you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And one last thing right before we leave. Be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you on my next video. See you soon.